was talking in the new project stream from Hyperdrive Innovation and our approach to project management. So we have a slightly integrated approach between traditional project management techniques and agile techniques to help with the flexibility of our changing business requirements. So the key messages really are about how we integrate those different techniques and how we have to be very flexible. It touches in quite closely to what Sir William was saying this morning about resilience, and personnel is the key part to making all of that come together quite nicely. So I think the challenges, especially for us at Hyperdrive, are about that flexibility. At the moment we're a really small company, so we can adapt and we can be very flexible. One of the things we're trying to introduce is a lot more structure, but we need to make sure we can respond to our customers, and I think that's something that when we've talked this morning about making the mould, like larger organisations, I think they do struggle with that flexibility, so I do see that being a challenge going forward. I think the opportunity is bringing young people in, looking at new ways to include new technology and people with different backgrounds. So personally I've got a business background, I did a business degree, but I've always worked in an engineering environment. So I think it's really good to have that mix of expertise and background and education as well, delivering the projects of the future. From a project management perspective, the principles are very similar, and we touched on that in the presentation. So we set out the stall at the beginning of every project, and it might be different from one project to the next. So we need our people to be flexible to different approaches for different pieces of work they're on, and we need the organisation to be able to support different approaches to different customer requirements and different project requirements. What I'd like for people to take away today from my presentation is that we need to be flexible when we deliver projects. We need to use the business framework and the governance around us, but be able to flex it on a project by project basis for a successful delivery for every customer's needs.